If you're looking to trade successfully, I've got a strategy and some powerful indicators that can make a real difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how these tools work through a live backtesting session. So let's dive into TradingView and get started. First up, let's unlock the power of indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab, and we're going to add our first tool, the Pivot High-Low line. Once you've added it to your chart, it's time to customize it. Click the little gear icon or simply double-click on the indicator to adjust the settings to fit your trading style. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming. Take your time and tweak it until you find what works for you. Now that we've got the Pivot High-Low line in place, it's time for the next indicator. Go back to the Indicators tab and search for the CM Ultimate Moving Average MTF indicator. The name might sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's a game changer. Once you've added it to your chart, we'll fine-tune the settings together. Great job so far. Now, let's break down how these indicators help you spot trends and make smarter trades. The Pivot High-Low line is your go-to for identifying swing highs and lows, marking key pivot points for you. When the moving average of 50 is above the moving average of 300 and the price is above both, you're in a bullish trend, signaling an uptrend in the market. On the flip side, if the moving average 50 is below the moving average 300 and the price is below both, that's a bearish trend, meaning the market is heading downward. If the price is stuck between the two lines, it's best to stay on the sidelines. We call this the no trade zone, because the market isn't giving clear direction. By combining these two indicators, you can create a solid trading strategy. But before we move on, if you're enjoying the video, give it a like. And remember, by subscribing to the Income Nomad channel, you'll gain access to hundreds of profitable trading strategies, plus a free trading course from A to Z. All right, let's get back to it. Our next indicator will help confirm signals because relying on just one isn't enough. For a buy trade, first, make sure the market is in an uptrend by confirming that the moving average 50 is above the moving average 300 and the price is above both. This increases your chances of success by trading with the trend. Next, look for a significant pivot high line, which serves as a potential turning point. Once you spot a bullish breakout past this line, enter the trade and set your stop loss just below the most recent swing low. To manage risk, use a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1, ensuring your potential gains outweigh the risks. But if you're into maximizing your profit factor to its limit, make sure to check the recommended videos by the end of the tutorial. For sell trades, the process is similar but in reverse. Confirm the market is in a downtrend by ensuring the moving average of 50 is below the moving average of 300 and the price is below both. Look for a significant pivot low line and wait for a bearish breakout. Once you have confirmation, enter the trade and set your stop loss above the most recent swing high. Again, use a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 for optimal risk management. Now let's look at some backtesting results to see how this strategy performs. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Using the Ethereum on a 15-minute time frame with a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1, we ran 100 trades. The results? An impressive 79% win rate. What else would you want from a trading strategy? But no strategy is going to be successful if not combined with price action, and the key to maximizing the profit factor is nothing but our exclusive feed levels adjustments, which you can find in the recommended video on your screen. Also, if you want to turn it into a fully automated bot with alerts, or if you don't like it at all, make sure to check the other recommended videos as well. Dive in and let's conquer the markets together.